What's going on, guys? Josh here with Red Lion Tactics. We have Nick and Brady on site with us today. We're fixing to shoot a 50-round carbine course of fire to see who gets shot with a non-lethal and a pepper ball. Stand by. I've got the 50-round carbine course of fire here with me. I'm going to read it off to you guys so you know what we're going to be doing today. We have a 25-meter box with 3 USPSA targets. We're going to start at the 5-meter line, low ready, 1 shot to the head box on the center target. And when I say head box, it's got to be the A zone for it to count for max points. Anything outside that A zone box is going to be a C zone hit. Staying at the 5-meter line, we have a high ready, 1 shot to the head box on the center target. Moving back to the 10-meter line, we're going to engage center target with 1 round, move to the left target for 2 rounds, move to the right target for 3 rounds, and come back to the center for another 4 rounds. Staying at the 10-meter line, it is a 180-degree turn, 5 into the left target box. We're going to do a bolt lock reload there, and then 5 into the right target. Moving from the 10 meters back to the 25, we're going to shoot 2 rounds to the left target head box, move to the 25-meter position, so we got a little bit of a run there, and then 2 rounds into the right target head box. Staying at the 25, moving from side to side, from left to right position, engage 2 on each target, move to the next position, engage 2 on each target. These are going to be A-zone hits in the chest. Staying at the 25-meter line, working your way back up towards the 5. On the buzzer, we're going to move towards the 5-meter line while moving 4 rounds on each target in any order. are done with the 50-round carbine course of fire. Sorry. And I suck, right along with Brady. Nick is our winner. Here's our score real quick. So total time, Brady 53.46 with a hit factor of 2.46. Total time for me is a 58.13, hit factor of 3.37. Total time for Nick is a 58.47 with a hit factor of 3.64. So he squeaked ahead right above me. It is what it is. I'm getting the kinetic round. Brady came in third, so he's getting a pepper ball. Let's do it. So we're gonna make sure that me and Brady both get a fresh cartridge. So we're gonna stick this in here, get it loaded down. This is our kinetic round. I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna get popped by that bad boy. Now the cool thing about this Byrna gun, just a quick little, tidbit, is the tool that actually changes the CO2 cartridge is right here on the side of the magazine. So once you get this screwed in, you can just use the tool, get it tightened down, and we're good to go. Let's get this done. This is my punishment. This is what I get for being an idiot and being terrible at shooting a rifle. I try to take it like a man. Fuck. Whoo. That's in the belly. It stings just a little bit. No hugs. No hugs. Oh. Oh, that stings. Yep, that stings. All right, we have our Byrna SD, a brand new fresh cartridge. That is what our pepper ball looks like. I'm done with my round, so it's his turn. Pepper ball it is for third place. Stand by. The water. Get the water. Oh, fuck. I can breathe that from over here.
Did you eat it too? That's gonna activate it, so you know.
You can have that one.
Eyeball it.
No, hang on.
Take that shirt off.
Take it off, but
Hang on.
Where's your spare shirt, bro?
You motherfucker, you fucking... That was a terrible idea.
I told you, bro.
It's under your beard. I fucking know where it's at. I got it washed off, bro. Come here.
here, put your head down. Put your head down.
Lean over. Lean over.
I can't open my eyes.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on. So punishments are over. I got mine. I think Brady can show you that he's got his.
If you carry this thing, carry with pepper balls.
Because they work?
They work damn good.
Oh, yeah. All right. That is Josh and Brady from Red Lion Tactics acting like assholes. You guys have a great day. All right, to the side.
Let's work like Tina. There we go.
Spark like Tina. Other side.
Go ahead and change shirts in a minute.
Where's your other shirt?
Open your eyes. Let it breathe.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Open them.
Oh,
This second
man.
I open it, they close. They close.
You gotta be able to see.
Fuck you, suck a dick. At least they're making you do a combat drill.
Hey,
That's what I'm saying, dude.
look,
Open
y'all
your
have
OC.
fucking gas masks. This is what we're gonna say
No,
about
you get OC sprayed in a baton and you have to go run and attack bad guys.
the Byrna SD. I would say the kinetic rounds are way worse.
Fuck you.
I mean, what I'm trying to say, I can't even think right now. He's all
the kinetic ain't shit.
The kinetic rounds
The
are
kinetic
great.
rounds are not as bad as the pepper ball. If you're gonna self-defense with that Byrna SD, you load all pepper ball.
You will shut them down.
I got hit with that very, very.
I don't want to
Little.
hear you got hit with shit.
You know, where are you pointing
Right
at?
out.
It's on your shirt.
It's drowning him now.
Go help your eyes, bro.
I'm trying to help you.